Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at that. MashaAllah. Look at that. Taqabbalallah. Best in town. Look at that. Hey, my white Babel. This is not pork. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Wallah, this burger, 10 out of 10. MashaAllah. Wow, look at that. Juices this one is. This one talking to me. What you say?
How is your fasting going, Haji?
It's going good.
You want a bit of spice?
I love the spice. Ya Rab. Wallah, this is good. My brothers and my sisters, you need to come try this. Look at that. Cheesy. Ramadan, everything tasting good. So eat as much as you like. This month, no hisab. The portion size, the chicken, the cheese, the sauce, all immaculate. Wow. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Crispy and crunchy. Look at that. In other terms, this one banging. Look at the donut.